welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out in the farm. I'm standing here in the freezing cold day. I think it's about 10 degrees, but I'm still going to tackle out this Holden Barina ABS sensor. Now specifically this is for the TK models. It's the 05 to 2011 TK Barina. In some other countries it's the Chevy Avo and etc, etc. It's going to be pretty easy, guys. The only drama is you do have to jack the car up, take the wheel off, and once you're in there it'll be pretty easy to get in there, rip the ABS sensor out and put the new one in. Guys, don't forget, if you did need this part, we have them available at Parts Factory. Click on the title of the video, the description will drop down, and then click on the link, order it, get it to your door, use this video to install it, save yourself some money, and finally subscribe and like to this channel to show me the appreciation for the video. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so if you're doing this from the comfort of your own home, odds are you're going to have one of these bottle jacks in the back of the car, or scissor jacks rather. Find some sturdy ground to place the jack on. If you're doing it on dirt, etc., what you can do is you can put a plank of wood down or something a bit sturdier than this dirt. But that basically, because what will happen is this jack's going to push down into the ground. Good thing is I'm not going to, you can't really damage this dirt out here on the farm. But if you guys are trying to, you know, keep your dirt or keep your driveway in good nick, do that and it will definitely do that for you. So you could just use this bottle jack. We're going to jack this car up. Basically, as soon as this tire's off the ground, then we can whip the tire off and I'll show you in there what it looks like. Hey guys, so it's a 19 mil on a rattle gun. Obviously you've got that little tire iron as well if you don't have a rattle gun. If it is too tight, rip out your tire iron. Just be careful now, because if you obviously got this jack like that, it may very well move as you're rocking it, etc. A rattle gun would be better. Hey guys, so I just put another jack under there just because I'm on the dirt, but if you guys have made sure that your car's stable just by rocking it, you're good to pull your tire off, just like so. Okay, so move your tire out of your way, and then we are now into the area we need to be. Let's start with popping up this bonnet, because the plug for the top of the ABS sensor is straight in here. Alrighty guys, so your ABS sensor can be unplugged from here, and then same thing just here. And then if you have a look here, this is just a Allen key. So we're going to pull that out, and then we're going to pull it again off this little rubber grommet here. Then if you track it up, you'll see there's a little bit of it's basically like you basically have to cut it, but don't worry too much, because the new one it has a replacement on it. And then if you track it up through to here, it just pops down like so, and you can just pull and unplug it like that. And then yeah, as I said, we're going to cut that, undo that, and this ABS sensor is completely off. So just behind here I've grabbed this what do we got, 5mm. Let's see if that will go in nicely. Now you want it to be quite a snug fit, because if you don't, because this is a rusty area, an area prone to rust and seize, you will thread the Allen key, rendering it very difficult to get it out. So let's give this a go. Pop that in like that. There you go there. Before you reach the end of the thread, get it out. Undo it by hand. Pull your ABS sensor out like so. And then yeah, basically cut that with a little cutter and then pull this ABS sensor off. Guys, so we got the old one out, and then hopefully you've already ordered your Parts Factory one. As you can see, they are an OEM direct replica, or OEM equivalent. So they are just a copy, aftermarket copy. Guys, they do come with a 3-year warranty, so if you do need it, you can just jump straight on the website, order it, get it in your hand, and then yeah, use this video. And I'll show you how to put it back in. Alrighty guys, so it's exact same procedure in reverse. Obviously start with your ABS sensor first, popping it into place. It is a magnet, so it'll try and stick to everything around you. And then the new Parts Factory one will come with a bit of lithium grease and a new bolt. So you can just put that new bolt in, tighten it up. It does have to be pretty tight. you don't want it to rattle out, if you know what I mean. And then again, it's just your grommets. They go all, as you guys can already imagine, all in the original OEM places. You got that one up the top, and then don't forget you got that little, basically little plastic clip. Now the new one from Parts Factory will include a new one of them, so you can just knock that one out with a hammer and then put the new one in. And then of course the final step is to plug the ABS sensor in. Super easy. Tuck it back up through the hole, and once again the new ABS sensor will come with a replacement grommet. As you can see, this original OEM one's perished, so yeah, you put your new replacement grommet in. That will keep everything nice and sealed from the weather. Obviously this area gets done by mud, water and salt and whatever, so you want to have all that done properly. And then once you've done that, obviously now it's time to clear that code, that ABS sensor code that's going to be up on your dash. Clear it, fire it up, and then hopefully you're all clear, and then you're good to go. Get back on the road and safe travels. Alrighty guys, that's it. Super easy job. It's literally in and out in a few minutes. I want you to imagine paying a mechanic to do a job like that. They're going to charge you an hour's labor and upsell you on the part, which they bought from us anyway. You can see what we're all about here at Parts Factory, guys, saving you money. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas. I'll see you next time.